Educational institutions asked to shut down across Greater Diphu Town area due to unceasing surge of dengue cases at Diphu Town. Law and Order Department temporarily seized Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council toll gate due to imposition of excessive tax at West Karbi Anglong on Sunday. Assam Police unearthed an unidentified body at Langhempi, West Karbi Anglong. Good morning viewers, you are watching Karbi Anglong Live English Prime Time. Dengue cases had been found to be multiplying in an alarming rate across Karbi Anglong district, especially at Diphu Town. Hence, keeping in view to the earnest matter, Lakshmi Priya IAS Mission Director paid a visit to Diphu Town on 5th of November to review the situation. According to reports, death toll of people with dengue cases had reached to 3 and still counting. Many people are hospitalized and some undertaking treatment at ICU, while several others are undergoing home treatment. So far, no any sign in declination of figures could be seen. Keeping in view of this earnest matter, Lakshmi Priya IAS Mission Director from Guwahati made a visit on 5th of November to review the preparedness of Health Department in fighting against the dengue virus and conducted a joint meeting with the Department of Health Services, Department of Social Welfare, District Administration, Diphu Medical College and Hospital, and Diphu Municipal Board to discuss about the seriousness of the dengue virus taking over the district at the office of the Joint Director of Health Services, Diphu Karbi Anglong.
The source of mosquito is some water, fresh water collected in small quantity, a bottle, tire, etc. এইবিলাকত পানী যেতিয়া আহে তেতিয়াহে ডেংগি কাৰণ ফিভাৰ হ'ব সো যেতিয়ালৈকে বাকুন নিদিয়ে তেতিয়ালৈকে হে সোর্স না থাকিব.
Over the past couple of weeks, preventive and advisory notice had been issued from the Office of the Joint Director of Health Services, Diphu Karbi Anglong, and Office of the District Administration to aware seriousness of the dengue virus to the citizens of Diphu. Moreover, a door-to-door awareness campaign had also been doing simultaneously since the last few days from the Health Department. In views of the earnest surge in dengue cases across the district, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council had issued an order in pursuance to the letter from Joint Director of Health Services to shut down all the educational institutes from both government and private, etc. From non-formal to colleges falling within Diphu Municipal Board and Greater Diphu Town on 7th, 9th, 10th, 11th and 12th of November as a preventive measures against impending epidemic. The mosquito carriers of the dengue virus are mostly active during the day, morning as well as evening before sunset. Hence, one must use mosquito net while sleeping, both during daytime or nighttime. One must wear full-sleeve clothes while going outdoors. One must keep the room and surrounding clean. One must get rid of any stagnant water collection, and one must report any causes of fever, body ache, headache, bleeding, spot in the skin surface to the physician.
2-3 দিনৰ কাৰণে আরবান এরিয়াছত যিমান ওয়ার্ড 40 নম্বৰ ওয়ার্ডস আছে তাতে 9টা ইউনিট হিসাবে আমি ভাগ কৰিছোঁ আৰু তাতে 9টা টিম হেডেড বাই 1 magistrate, 1 doctor and having 10 to 13 numbers of ASHA, ANM or Anganwadi workers এনেকুৱা টিম বনাইছোঁ. Roughly 1000 households তেখেতে 2টা দিনত কভাৰ কৰিব লাগে ফিভাৰ সাৰ্ভেইলেন্স, ইন্টেন্স সাৰ্ভেইলেন্স কৰাৰ কাৰণে.
News Text Report, Karbi Anglong Live. The news of imposing heavy taxes to the drivers at the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council entry tax gate is not surprising, as the news had been aired to the limelight several times. Many agitators had also been demonstrated against levitations of heavy taxes at the gate. Therefore, on 5th of November around 11 p.m. midnight, Police Department went to Ronaima, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council toll gate and temporarily seized the toll bar. On 5th of November around 11 p.m. midnight, after receiving several complaints regarding the impositions of heavy charges on tax at the Ronaima Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council toll gate, Police Department immediately acted upon the complaints and seized the toll bar temporarily. Later, it was informed that all the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council toll gates present at West Karbi Anglong were temporarily shut down. This was done as the employees of the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council toll gates had been extorting extra charges to drivers and violating the rates of tax set by the KAL Autonomous Council. Likewise, toll gates at Tumpreng by Thalangso were also temporarily seized and the toll bars are guarded by the police department for the time being. Now let us hear from the truck drivers about the charge levied upon them by the employees of Kheroni, Ranaima, KAL Autonomous Council toll gate.
What lo jaw?
Dalmia.
Tunto Dalmia. Umrangso. কি আছে কয়লা আছে না
গাড়ি কেউ রোকাইছে
ইয়াত গাড়ি কিয় ৰখাইছে আপুনি
গাড়ি মানে ইয়াতে মানে মালিক ইউনিয়নৰ পৰা কৈছে 300 টকা দিব লাগে ইয়াতে 500 টকা কৈছে
500 টকা খুজি আছে
500 টকা লাগে
Wiki-based report from Dongkamukam for KAL Live.
Football, football, football. Nong nam kache thang nai football club lake KAL Morning Star FC henlo surihini ra nerke pani kana mahang ke thai KAL Morning Star non ke bangji phaikuni mate November 8 arni lote ningkan krepia mahang ke thai arni nang chokko let's play for health, let's play for wealth, let's play for pride, let's play for peace, let's play for unity, let's play for dignity.
Let's all sing to the glory of KAL beyond long monitor FC. Let's all sing to the glory of KAL beyond long monitor FC. Let's play for health, let's play for wealth, let's play for pride, let's play for peace, let's play for unity, let's play for dignity. Let's all sing to the glory of KAL beyond long monitor FC. Let's all sing to the glory of KAL beyond long monitor FC.
Let us sing to the glory of Morning Star FC.
On 24th of September, an unidentified body of a man was buried at Tado Langso, Langhempi under West KAL from the Meghalaya site. The incidents encountered by the villagers on 24th of September had created bewilderedness among themselves as a group of unknown people came and buried the body of unknown individual near their village. Hence, the villagers of Tado Langso reported about the incidents to the police department. Police department, acting upon the report of the villagers, went to the site where the incidents took place on 6th of November, and from 9 a.m. onwards, Hamren police initiated the process to unearth the dead body from the ground. It is informed that the identity of the deceased body is not known yet, and to know causes of his death, the mortal remains of the body had been sent to Dipu Medical College and Hospital for post-mortem report. After 70 hours of examination, the body would be sent for cremation.
মোৰ কাৰণে প্ৰথম তাৰ পিছত আমি 72 hours প্ৰিজাৰ্ভ কৰিম ফৰ আইডেন্টিফিকেশন আৰু যদি কোনো ক্লেইমেন্ট নলয় তেতিয়ালে আমি ডিসপোজ কৰি এজ পাৰ প্ৰসিডিউৰ এটা আমাৰ ডিস্ট্ৰিক্ট মিনিষ্টাৰৰ পাৰমিশন লৈ আমি ডিসপোজ কৰি দিম
The missions was led by Nayan Barman, Superintendent of Police, West KAL, and Pintu Pathak, Officer in charge of Hamren Police Station. Bir Singh Tiso's report from Langhempi for KAL Live. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.